I am Anil Chandwani, working with Apollo Diagnostics, which is a division of Apollo AHLL, and I am working as a Chief Operating Officer, managing all India operations, sales, marketing, and everything about Apollo Diagnostics. Now, the vision of our chairman, Mr. Pratap Reddy, Dr. Pratap Reddy, and Dr. Sangeeta Reddy, who is our managing director, we aim and we plan to provide our next door health services to everyone in India. This Apollo Hospital, which began somewhere in 1980s, is today become a number one hospital chain in India with about 80 hospitals all over India. Now we are expanding in a big way in diagnostics. Presently, we have around 140 labs, running labs all over India, and we plan to be number two and a number one company in India in next 3 to 5 years. The aim is each and every citizen of India should have an access to the basic testing, and all the medical community initially there were no labs in very many major towns, but right now our company has made pathology our next door and a very accessible, affordable services for people of India. We are having something like 2000 collection centers, about 5000 pickup points, plus we are associated with medical community, corporate, and spreading in a big way the testing facility and making India a healthy country. Today, it is not only disease where there is a need of pathology, even for normal health checkups. Anyone who is above 25 years, and if he starts having a real good picture of its own physiology, anatomy, and the testing which is required, if they have a report, they can understand if at 25 they are healthy, and they can carry on that healthy lifestyle, and if they are not healthy, they can take a precautionary method. Most of the disease today we talk about are about lifestyle that can be managed with pathology. Secondly, all diseases, like there is a very big rise in diabetic patients, there is a big rise in cancer patients, and there are multiple even genomics related neurology diseases. There is a rise on that. So Apollo brings the pathology knowledge for the medical community and for the layman also, to lead a healthy and a precautionary life where they'll live a longer life and a happy life. The aim, again, I'll repeat, we wanted that all 150 crore citizens of India should have an accessibility at an affordable rate. And if we are big, if Apollo Hospital today, the way we have the infrastructure, the way we are believed for quality, and our medical knowledge, I think in India's today, the best of the doctors are associated with Apollo Hospital. The kind of care which is provided in Apollo Hospital, that legacy now we want to implement in our pathology segment also. And in pathology, once again I'll say, if you will see behind me, we have the best of the companies, like providing us instrumentation, and majority of the tests today, there is no need to send these tests to medical hubs like Delhi, Bombay, Chennai. Lot of tests today can be provided in Bhubaneswar with a state of the art, and we have a mechanism. We have quality managers, very qualified doctors who are on a daily basis maintaining this quality and giving a very, very accurate report. Another aspect of pathology is timely reporting. Timely reporting over here, I can very well say, for the city of Bhubaneswar, we can provide a report in 4 to 6 hours of majority of cases. But some of the cases which are scheduled, that also today, because of this connectivity throughout, can be provided as per the schedule. So for the people of Bhubaneswar and Puri, I think this lab should become a very big support system for their health and for managing their lifestyle. So I I thank all of you who have been the part over here today, who have come over here. I'll request, we have our franchisees also, to talk to the people, talk about what Apollo provides, what Apollo is known for, and not known for 1 year, 5 year, 10 years. It is a journey of 40 years where Apollo has maintained the dignity, the quality, the timeliness, affordability, and the progress. And the way forward also, I can assure you, there will be a time when we will not be looking forward to any other country for any testing. I think India will be self-sufficient doing 99% of the tests. Thank you very much.